Hello, good morning, my dear students. This is Thiru sir, your English teacher. So, welcome to the online classes of Sri Eknatharav Khadse Talent English Medium School, Muktayanagar. So, dear students, today we are going to learn the next chapter. The chapter name is some special verbs. 7th chapter, that is 3rd standard English grammar, Learn Well textbook. So, today we are going to learn regarding some special verb forms, that is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, can, could, shall, should, will, would, etc. So when we are making these words into a negative form, so what we have to do? So to make negative, this special verb take not, or in shortcut also can say an apostrophe T. This is the short form. Okay, after them, after the special verbs, what we have to use? We have to use not, not, or in the short form an apostrophe T when we are making negative sense. For example here I am writing here. I think it can visible for you. Example, she is not going. First, she is going. When you make negative, she is not going. If you make in short form, so what do we write? C I N apostrophe N T. She isn't going. She isn't going. So this is the short form of this. For better understand, I will do the another for you. I am, we can do it. I am not coming. I am not coming. But here there is no any shortcut form. But whenever you use make negative sense, after the auxiliary verb we have to use not. Got it? Next, he was not dancing. He was not dancing. So when we make to them in a short form, what you have to do it, he, just as it is you have right here, but not place, what you have to do, an apostrophe T. He wasn't, what do you say? He wasn't dancing. Okay, so this is the negative form when you're making the special verb for using. Got it? I hope you understand better. Now we are going to discuss interrogative. So when you change some special verb into an interrogative form, I mean to make a questions. So at the time what we have to do it. So let you see the first definition. To make questions, we put special verb in the beginning of the sentence. So when you make a sentence into a negative form, so what we have to do it? First we have to put the special verbs the beginning of the sentences. Beginning of the sentence. As an example, is she a doctor? It's a question. Is she a doctor? So what happened here? The special verb came beginning of the sentence. Okay, here also we can make into negative form, just like she is not, what do you say? Just I'm rubbing, just erasing this, don't mind. I hope you wrote. Is not she a doctor? Question mark. Now we can make short form, that is, what do you say? Apostrophe S. Isn't she a doctor? Are you getting my point? These two statements are same, but it is a long form while it is a short form. And first one is only make a questions. That's it. Only is a doctor, or it is indicating only for you only a subject. I mean interrogative sentence. But second thing, it is mixing interrogative with negative sense. Which one? This long form. Then the same statement given for you here in a short form, right? And I will give an example, next example, to better understanding. So I'm going to do it now. I can do it. Just to take it, they can do it. They can do it. What I did, can they do it? Can they do it? Make a question. The special verb came into the first of the sentence. Now we are going to make into a negative sense. Cannot. What do you say? Cannot they? Generally listen to my students. Cannot, N-O-T. It will combined will come. Cannot. This is wrong. What do you say? C-A-N-N-N-O-T. Cannot. This is the right path. Okay. So cannot they do it? Question again. Again, when you make the short form of the sentence, when you make the short form of this, just what you say? Simply apostrophe. Can't. Can't they? You are getting, I get is getting some confused. Just I'm writing here. Here writing. Can't they do it? Can't they do it? This is short form. This is long form. Okay. This is a question form. This is a statement. The students, I hope you better understand for this. And it has given the plenty of a short form for you. Just look at this. Got it? With a special verb with not given. Special verb with not. So when the special verb plus not will come, so what in short form? Just like is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, weren't, hasn't, has not, hasn't, have not, haven't, had not, hadn't, should not, shouldn't, will not, won't, would not, wouldn't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't. So you have to keep in your mind. Suppose could not, yeah, couldn't, is not, isn't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, has not, hasn't, have not, haven't. Got it? So this all the things you have to keep in your mind, that whenever you get the answer. So the students, I hope you understand better these lessons. So it has also given for you some more exercise for you, test yourself. First question is, rewrite a sentence as a questions. It has given for you some sentence you have to make into questions, right? So for example, given here Misa will do it. Will Misa do it? So we have to bring the special verb to front side, then after you can make a questions. Very easy that is. And instead of full stop, we have to do question marks. Next point is, rewrite is sentences as a negative. So you have to change into a negative sense. I think you better do. For example, you can do it. I'm doing exercise. So here I can say it. I'm not doing exercise. Like this. I'm teaching you. I'm not teaching you. I'm looking you. I'm not looking you. So in this way, or you can do it in a short form. I'm watching you. I wasn't watching you. He's watching you. So he is watching. He isn't watching you. Okay. Arya was dancing. Arya wasn't dancing. So in a short form, we can write the question to answer. So next point is, rewrite each sentence as negative questions. Oh, it is very difficult. Not very difficult. If you understand, it is very easy. Just this is the negative questions. Cannot they do it, or can't they do it? What negative sense will be here and question marks will be here. That is called negative questions. Negative questions in one sentence. So example given, John is a tall boy. So what you can say, isn't John tall boy? Isn't John a tall boy? So isn't is, then after negative sense, isn't a tall boy. So it is very, very easy if you understand. If you not understand, definitely you can ask me. I will help to you. The students, this lesson already completed and the session also has been completed. The students, I hope you understand better than my thinking. So read once again the solutions, try to understand this, try to see the video, and try to understand each and everything. Still, if you have any doubt, definitely you can call to me and I will assist you. Okay, thank you, keep smile, bye bye.